everyone, Rob from Overland Gear Guy, and we finally came up with the tool roll that everybody's been asking for quite a while. Basically, we took the combination of our poplar seat organizer, these, and our tool wrap, which is these pockets here, and just combined it into a tool roll. All the name tags are on Velcro, so you can order whichever tags you want, and then you just get it all together, and then roll it up like this. And then you can make this as tight as you want. So if you wanted to, obviously if you had a bunch of tools in there, it's gonna be, you're not gonna cinch it down this much. So just like that. And then there you go. It's just, but yeah, if you had all these full, then you just it left this out a little bit. So it's got a nice handle there for you. And there it is. Another product made from Overland Gear Guy in North Salt Lake, Utah.